good afternoon mga boss. Another day, another car demo, and of course another client from Secure. So please keep tuning in mga boss ha, and ubani ko ninyo sa kaning episode mga boss no, kay as requested sa atong buyer from Secure, iyang ipademo ni ato ang lowest in the market 2022 Toyota Vios XLE 1.370 automatic transmission for only 15,000 mileage. And then ang naka good news ani mga boss ha, naggrabe na atong price drop ani from the original price nga 625,000 going to 580,000 na lang ni karon. And wala pa tanaman for cash buyer makabil pa ta og 15,000 discount. And additional good news pagit mga boss, makahatag pa mi ninyo og 15,000 free transfer of ownership. So ako i-review no, from the original price nga 620,000 going to 580,000 plus this 15,000 pagyud to avail for the cash price and additional free transfer of ownership. So again, this is a 2022 Toyota Vios XLE 70 automatic transmission, and no question, super kayo kahinog ang ato ang unit. So imagine this is 15,000 mileage ra ang dagan ani. So let's go mga boss, check nato interior including the engine. Boards, good afternoon. So right now nata sa unit, soon to be our 2022 Toyota Vios XLE 70.
Turn the engine on and go. I've been picking up some steam when I'm moving through the scenes. Put the fire in the hole. When I touch it, turn the cold. Calculating every step, I be focused on my goals. I be getting in the zone, always on the go, on a different mode. I be getting in the zone, I got a different tone, I'm on a higher note. Yeah, I'm betting all of myself, I know I gotta double down, accumulating my wealth. I'm becoming that powerhouse, never going back to where the power out. I'm doing something I'm proud about, no slow gas, no I'm out. Now I'm speeding off, giving vominos, call the shots in these audibles. Every action is valuable, and every word I'm using is plausible. My story, my chronicles, every day I gotta learn something. If you know me, I came from nowhere, super bad and I'll make love. I keep my business on the low, making moves, I'm always in the lab or on the phone. Don't approach me like an amateur, you're dealing with a pro. Got the drop like Paul's cruising up and down the coast. Turn the engine on and go. I've been picking up some steam when I'm moving through the scenes. Put the fire in the hole. When I touch it, turn the cold. Calculating every step, I be focused on my goals. I be getting in the zone, always on the go, on a different mode. I be getting in the zone, I got a different tone, I'm on a higher note. And I got it back, I'm always moving and I can't relax. I'm a little stubborn, hard-headed, only moving if the heart said it. In other words, being authentic, and it's sports for me, I got the athletics. I'm competing here for this legacy, I can't build a brand or own equity. You can't pay the rent with a minimum wage, and you can't even save when you pay like say. So I made that rate with a little bit of pay. You can hear that pain when you hit that play. No drugs when you got these symptoms. On the mic I cleanse my system. With the age I gain more wisdom, getting more free from this mental prison. I keep my business on the low, making moves, I'm always in the lab or on the phone. Don't approach me like an amateur, you're dealing with a pro. Got the drop like Forrest cruising up and down the coast. Turn the engine on and go. I've been picking up some steam when I'm moving through the scenes. Put the fire in the hole. When I touch it, turn the cold. Calculating every step, I be focused on my goals. I be getting in the zone, always on the go, on a different mode. I be getting in the zone, I got a different tone, I'm on a higher note.
So, tools ani nasa ilalim sa passenger seat, sa driver seat. Tools and jack na ragyo diri. So nara kompleto ra, tools nara diha ilalim sa bangko. Then of course, ang pinaka-importante dito sa tanan, i-check na to ang engine. Of course, ang pinaka-importante sa tanan ang engine good, but as we can see, engine nato super kabag-o gyud. So nalagi abo gamay, but before nato ni-release, kompleto na ta interior, exterior and engine detailing. So ang naka-nindot lang gyud ani, mas nindot mo check og abog nga kuan engine para ma-check nimo og nabay mga leaking. So far engine na to super kayo ka sinaw, hinog ra gyud kayo. So at kung i-focus ha, makita gyud nimo nga engine na to is bag-o bagid kayo. So makita pa nimo ang mga marking gani diri oh, nang nag-pink. So marking pa na gikan sa pag-release sa brand nyo. So of course battery bag-o ra gyud siya. And then oil intact ra gyud, transmission oil, engine oil. So grabe ka, gikan na tong gipaandar ni, pero madungog na to, smooth ra gyud kayo, hilom ra gyud kayo ang atong under. So of course okay na. So check din nato ang functions day, mga functions board sa kuan di ay power window and power mirror. Check nato ang functions power mirror and power window. So check nato power window first. This is the left side, driver's area, up and down, functional sad, functional ra. And then dito sa right side sa passengers kuan, up down, functional ra. And then diri left side, yes of course functional sad siya. And then dito sa right side likod, so up and down, functional sad siya. Power mirror. So power mirror, muni ang button niya boards ha, since latest naman ta, this is 2022, imo rin nang switch to left and right, then up down. So functional na, wala gyud problema. Absolutely boards, unit nato is 100% good as new condition gud siya. Wa gyud siya bunog. Boss Manel, shout out sa Boss Manel sa imong mga kuan. Kasi gusto nimo shout out. Okay, shout out. Wala rin. All right. Boards, as early as possible mo reserve gyud ta ani kay nai-gain ko na Boss Manel. Pila ka bok? Yes, boards, as na-mention sa mga staff dire, of course, basta mga hinog nga barato, mag-ilog yun ang mga buyer here in Cebu City. So, boards, that's the end of the video. I hope kita'y makaunaan ni boards. So, thank you and have a nice day.